Okay, hi. This is lecture video. This is video number 3. We are going to see in about called risk analysis. The risk analysis consists of likelihood, impact, and risk level. In case that high is a likelihood means the impact will be impact will be high and risk level will be critical. Whereas in this likelihood is medium means impact level will be high and risk level will be major. So this is a risk analysis of the system. So this is risk mitigation strategy. Risk mitigation strategy consisting of avoid, reduce, transfer, and accept. And the examples we are going to have encrypted database to risk reduction. Avoid means we are going to remove risk feature from the system. We are going to just avoid the risk in the medium in the system. Next, we are going to reduce means you are going to reduce the control, or you are going to add numerous number of control to reduce the risk mitigation process. Transfer means you are going to make an insurance or outsourcing pro so for risk mitigation process. Acceptance means you are going to have low risk acceptance value. Example encrypted database and risk reduction. So the risk mitigation strategy consists of avoid, reduce, transfer, and accept. So risk mitigation process. Avoid means you are going to remove risk feature. Reduce means you are going to add controls. Transfer means you are going to have insurance or outsourcing. Accept means low risk acceptance. For example, you are going to have an example called risk database and risk reduction. That is risk encrypted database to risk adoption. So we are going to secure design principle. This secure design principle consisting of that is 70% vulnerabilities originate from the design flaw. So we are going to fix post displacement cost in 10%. That is there's something called secure design principle. The secure design principle consisting of an SDLC process. We are going to analyze, design, implementation, testing, and support. So from the graph you are going to have minimum, maximum day quartile. So in secure design principle, we are going to have a minimum of analysis with compared to the design slightly high. When we compare to SDLC process implementation is slightly higher than the design, and from testing it is slightly more higher than. Moreover, the support system consists of a high secure design principle should be used. So 70% of the vulnerabilities originate from the design flaw. So we are going to fix the design flaw by adding 10% of the cost more of it. So this is the design principle concept is being there. So the maximum secure design principle is being given to the support system, whereas the minimum should be given to the analysis system. Analysis system. So the secure design principle consisting of a least privileges, a defense in depth, fail security, security by default, separation of duties, minimize attack surface. So the least privilege environment, your user get the minimum required access. For example, read only by the database user. Okay, defense in depth means you are going to multiple layer. The multiple layer consists of firewall, authentication, and encryption. So the secure design principle consists of least privileges, defense in depth, fail securely, secure by default, separation of duties, and minimize attack surface. So least privileges means user get the minimum required access. For example, if we read only database user. Defense in depth means you are going to have a multiple layers of firewall, authentication, and encryption. Okay, we have came to the part called summary part. The summary part consists of security engineering overview. The security engineering overview, first we are going to see about it called security goals. Security goals consisting of confidentability, integrity, and availability. Confidentability, integrity, and availability. Next we see about a term called risk management. The risk management consists of risk identification, risk analysis, risk mitigation, and risk monitoring of the system. So with this we see about a term called design thinking process. The design thinking process empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Prototype and testing is there. So with this we are going to have a secure design principle. This secure design principle consists of least privileges, defense in depth, fail fail securely and minimize attack surface. So with this video we complete the topic called security engineering and software engineering. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.